previously on this show.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh, poison? Which poison? Sure. Okay. Fine. Oh no, it's fine. No. Wait, what's this place? Oh, what? Oh my, cool. What I'm doing?
Now on episode 3.
What happened? Wait, where am I? Hi there. You have been sent to jail. Or prison, they call it. Wait, who said that? Sorry, I'm an invisible wolf. This weird type of creature made me invisible. It had like colored water inside of the stuff. What? Anyways, some people visited you. A lot of people visit the people who's in jail. Oh, okay. So like it's a weird creature and it wears something. What I don't know what it's called. He only has fur on his head and on the bottom of his nose. He looks weird. He literally goes up straight. What? Yeah, it's very weird. Well, okay. How do I get out of here? Well, see ya. Bye. Okay, I think he left because he did say bye. So what can I do? And I can't mind or break this. I can't get out. I'm so tired. I can't break this. I'm trapped in here. Torch? Can I grab a torch? No, it's too tight on the wall. I'm stuck in here. What should I do? Come on. I don't even know what my name is. Come on, me. Come on, think. I can't mind. Can't mind. Damn it. Oh, I can't get out of here. I'm gonna try chewing on it. Yo. Oh. Chew. Wait, I think I got something. Oh, I got it. It's unlocked. I'm out. Wait, where did he go? Wait, he can't see me, so I can't. Oh no. I need to get over here. This is the scariest thing. Okay. You know what? I have no idea where he is. What was that? Gotcha. Oh no! Ow! Nice try. I was actually outside just waiting for you to try and escape. And you can't even see me. That is true. What should I do? Oh, someone visited you. You're still there? Yeah. Okay, I'm actually going to leave now. I'm going to go to the desk. I'm going to go to a desk in like the restaurant and stuff. Yeah, I don't care. And also, the bars are title and harder to unlock. I'm going to get the key to do it. I guess so. Just in case, let me try actually. Let me try. Try. Think I unlocked it? Damn it. Fake, fake, fake. I'm in prison forever now. I know what it feels like now. But I can't find a way out. I went out of that volcano one time. Yeah. I hated that time when I went in that waterfall. Well, if I use let's burn it down. Oh my God, that was on fire! What happened? What just happened? What? Is it unlocked? Okay, it's nighttime, so he must be sleeping. Cause I sleep at night too. Well, I need to stay up all night this time. Okay. Up here, up here, up here, up here, and up here, up here, and up here, and up here. I don't even know why I was in jail. I just fell down. Okay. You can be like right in front of me and stuff. You can be behind me chasing me and I don't know. I think he'll know a place where he won't go. Wait! The volcano. Nope, 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 no, 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 nope, 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 no, no, no. No, 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 no. Nope, I'm not going there. Okay. Oh, well. Huh. Okay, okay. Uppy, uppy, okay, okay, uppy, uppy. We'll go back up here. Cool store. Okay, you need to go up here now. This is the only way. And a good place to live. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna sleep here for the night. Why would you ever come here? It's nice. Oh, a good child. Child.
Episode 4 coming soon.